How to fix Roblox HTTP error DNS resolve. So if you want to fix this up, it's really easy. You have to go to the search bar and search for view network connection and you will find this up. Now click and open it up. Now you have to make sure that don't go and select this cross one. So you can see here this red color cross one, right? So you don't have to select that one. Let me just make it here large icon for you guys. So you have to select this one, right? This is which one we are using. Now we have to just click and open it up. Now you will see all this option available here. Now you can just go to the properties here. Now once you go to the properties, it will look like this. Now you have to select this internet protocol version 4 here. You have to select this and then you have to go to the properties, and once you go to the properties you have to go here, use this following DNS server address here. Now you have to just type here 8 8 a 8, and same thing you have to just repeat here. Just make sure you have to do the same thing in your case, right? And once you do this, just go and click on OK. Now it will get saved. Right now here we have to, the second step, we have to open our command promote. So once we open it here, but make sure you always right click on it and click on run as administrator, click on yes here. Now once you do this, you have to just type IP config space slash and flush DNS and press the enter. Right now here you can see successfully flush this DNS resolved cache here. Now you can just go back to Roblox and you can use it.